TIS qtHotel Room Manager Training Guide. Go to Room Manager. The Room Manager allows you to add and organize all hotel rooms. Rooms are organized based on region, floor, and room name. To add rooms, click the plus add icon. Select the region. Some hotels have multiple regions, such as Block A, Block B, etc. Enter the floor name. Enter the first room name. Select the appropriate room template. If you have multiple rooms with the same template on the same floor and in the same region, enable Add in Bulk and enter the total number of rooms. If the floor contains rooms with different templates, add them separately. Repeat the same process for every floor and every region until all rooms in the hotel have been added. Adding room equipment. After creating all rooms, open each room one by one and add all installed equipment, such as lights, air conditioning, floor heating, occupancy status, master relay switch, panels, moods, adding lights. To add a light, click the plus button, enter the light name, and select the appropriate light type based on the connected module. Use the on/off type for lights or appliances connected to a relay channel. Enter the channel address, subnet ID, device ID, channel number. Finally, select the desired icon. 4 dimmable lights connected to leading edge dimmer, trailing edge dimmer, DALI DT8, DMX dimmable channel. Select the adjust type and enter the channel address, subnet ID, device ID, channel number. Then choose the desired icon. If the room uses an RGB strip light, select the RGB type. RGB lights require 4 different channels: red, green, blue, white. For TIS DMX driver or DALI DT6 installations, enter subnet ID, device ID, channel number for each color separately. Then select the desired icon. For ZigBee RGB bulbs or ZigBee LED drivers, select HSB RGB. Enter ZigBee hub or TIS ZigBee gateway address and device address. Scene control. If multiple lights should turn on off or dim together, use the scene option. Enter subnet ID, device ID, scene number, area number. The scene and area settings are the same as those configured previously in the relay, dimmer, DALI, or DMX settings section. DALI DT8 light. For DALI DT8 lighting color temperature driver, select DALI DT8. Enter DALI subnet ID, device ID address, and channel number. Adding air conditioning control. There are 2 types for controlling air conditioning. Type 1, control via thermostat panel, 4T module, or auto IR device. If the air conditioner is controlled through a wall thermostat panel, a 4T module, or an auto infrared device, enter the following information: the subnet and device ID address of the wall thermostat panel, 4T module, or auto IR sensor or IR emitter. The AC number must match the configuration programmed in the thermostat or 4T panel. For auto IR devices, the default AC number is 1. Type 2, control via learned infrared. If the air conditioner is controlled using a learned infrared command, select the IR option and enter the sensor or IR emitter subnet and device ID address. Patch A or Patch B. The selected patch depends on where the IR code has been uploaded. If you do not want the room temperature to appear next to the room icon on the main page, simply disable the room temperature display option. Floor heating. For floor heating, enter thermostat or 4T panel subnet and device ID address. Floor heating number. The heating number must match the number programmed in the thermostat or 4T panel. Room occupancy. The reception page displays whether a room is occupied or vacant. To configure occupancy status, enter the indoor panel address. By default, the occupancy channel is channel 5. If a third-party panel is used, the channel number may be different. Master relay. The master relay controls the main power supplied to all other relay outputs. The output of the master relay is connected to the input of the remaining relays. Therefore, when the master relay is off, all connected devices in the room will also be off. Enter master relay subnet ID, device ID address channel number. Room panel. Add the address of the call service panel installed inside the room. This allows the application to identify which room generated a notification or service request. Creating moods. There are two methods for creating room moods. Method 1. Record mood. Set all devices to the desired state. Configure lights, AC, and floor heating. Enable the devices you want to include. Click Record Mood. The system will save the current status of all selected devices. Method 2. Manual commands. You can manually create a mood by adding commands one by one. Open extra DIY commands. Click Select. Add individual commands or select a public scene. Enter a name for the mood. Choose the desired icon. The mood is now ready for use.